How's it going, everyone? It's Reverse Pretty King. This is another update for HOLO. Microcloud hologram, one of the biggest pumping stocks we've had this year. So everyone's watching it, and it's very understandable. Everyone wants to be a part of the squeeze. But you got to remember, the squeeze is going to happen when you least predict it, when you're super depressed, and when you hate the stock. It always happens like that. You're like, gosh, I hate this stock, and then it goes up. So I always tell people, you buy when the crowd is so depressed, and you will make tons of money. And you sell when the crowd is optimistic. So here's HOLO, and I'm going to show you guys the system where we're at today. And it did exactly what I predicted. And unfortunately, I missed the boat by a little. I told you guys I was going to get into HOLO on Friday. It was Thursday is when it decided to pump. I should have got some on the pre-market in hindsight. But here's what happened. According to the strategy, and if you don't have this strategy, you're missing out. It's the band strategy, ATRs with exponential moving averages, and the KDJ. I give you all the education resources. You have to join the premium Discord below to access this. I have everything you need to learn, and I alert my plays. You can find plays yourself, because once you're confident in the market, you can fish for yourself. You don't have to have a lot of people say, oh, you need to buy this and that, and like for example, everyone's pumping HOLO, but nobody has any idea why, other than past history squeezes. Nobody knows why should we get a good entry point and all that. You can do this and understand that. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments; will be pinned. You can join my premium Discord and all that. So here's what we have. HOLO did exactly what it's always been good at. It retests the EMA 5, hypes everyone up, and it goes down. As you can see, as my arrow, we hit the EMA 20 here. This is the most dangerous area to buy, and it's often the most biggest bag holders are created, because you see a stock go up 32%, and everyone wants to be a part of a bigger move. Everyone loves it when price is green. Nobody loves it when it's red. They start freaking out. They get a weird motion, and I get it. Nobody likes it because they're like, you start thinking the worst. It plays mind games, and you're like, is this stock going through something? Like, you start looking at news, you start reading things, and it's just algos taking it down to the next level. As you can see, that's all they doing. You have the upper highs, and it goes down. We can see the major support levels, and this is what I fear. We have support here, it goes up, hits the EMA 20 right in here, and then breaks support, and we have constant supports being broken, and that is what I feared with HOLO. And we have a new level here. So right in here, it tried to test the upper channel, but honestly, like I said, look for the EMA 5. That is your profit range. If you would have bought pre-market, as you can see, it was like 77 cents, and it pumped all the way up to like $1.19. That is insane. Let's do the math on this, guys. Let's go to my nifty calculator. If you guys don't use this, I love this. 0.77, and it went to like a 1.19, I believe. Increase of 54% if you got precise entries. Obviously, you're not going to get the top and bottom, but wow. I mean, I'm a little salty I missed out on this play. I was almost looking to get it. I'll show you the 15-minute candle here. So right here, pre-market, 6:45 and then 7. This is when my broker opens to trade. I use Schwab. So I could have got something in here, and it just went massively up. And the reason why I liked it is because, one, we were hitting the lower band. And that's where I look for precise entries. I will not take an entry if it doesn't make sense to me. Like right in here, we're hitting the lower band. This makes sense for an entry if you wanted to get some. And then right in here, you could have added some. It's all about accumulating the swing reversals. And guess what? Sell it at the very top here. And like I said, you would not have sold it at the top. But honestly, within like two 15-minute candles, this is massive returns. We did the calculation, over 50% gain. I would have been happy with 20 to 30% region. So that's HOLO. That's what I'm looking at. The problem now is it did it one day later than I expected. So now I'm like, should I buy this or not? And here's the problem. It don't have the time distance I was looking for. As you can see, price magnets to the EMA 5. So when we hit the EMA 5, what tends to happen is it goes down. So it hit the EMA 5 here, and then it went down for 2 days straight. Hit the EMA 5 here. Does it go down for another 2 days or 3 days? We don't know, and I have to see that. So we did not hit the EMA 10, which is very nice here, because that would have mean price reverted to the mean. So we still have to rely on this. The problem is a lot of people have way higher averages. So if it pumped to 1.20, it doesn't really matter because you look all over Twitter, look in Discords. They've been pumping this thing since $1.80, $2, even way back in here in the $3 range. I noticed people got in because people want to be a part of this, and the problem is, like I said in the very beginning, you buy when price is depressing. If people are depressed in the boards, I'm interested. If you guys are all optimistic and bullish, I don't even want a part of this stock. It's just how I look at it. I do the reverse psychology. I'm a lone sheep in this world in trading because that's really what it is. You know, you want to be different because most retail traders lose. So I try to do things differently, and that's really what it comes down to. But yeah, I love the system for the EMA 5. That's what we did. So now I want to see a move down. If I do try to get in. And also the A plus setups are going to be hitting this ATR band here. That is the most best setups is when you have time distance of the EMA 5 with an ATR 4 and you have time distance of the 10 and 20. And if you guys don't know what I'm saying, time distance is when price has not hit your EMAs. We know right now we hit the EMA 5. That's the time distance. Now we have to restart the clock. Like I said, guys, if you want to learn more, my price targets, my histories, and like I said, you could have made 54% from the very lows if you got 70. If you got it at the very low, even if you got it at 0.82, you could have made 45. It's still a very good trade today if you had nice entries, and that's all trading really is. You don't have to have these big explosion moves up. If as long as you keep getting these little bumps in hollow, you can make massive returns. Like, look at this. We're well below the EMA 5. Look what price does. It gaps up and hits over the 10 and almost gets the 20. Goes back down, and this is what happens. It hit the EMA 5, goes down a little for 4 days straight, and guess what? It gaps up and hits the 20. It's all about accumulation using smaller time frames. The 15-minute would signal, hey, we're looking for a buy area here. This is looking very nice for a move up, and the people who executed ignored the fear because a lot of people freak out when they see red. They don't know how to add, they don't think they should accumulate, and that is the time to buy, not when hollow is up, massively. That is not the time to buy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments, and you'll see a link that's pinned. I'll put my camera over here. This is what it's going to look like. If you click the link below, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. And like I said, it's a YouTube comment that I pinned. It'll say, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. All you have to do if you want to be a part of the subscription service is click server shop here, and you'll see swing trading plus and day trading. I recommend day trading, obviously, because you get everything in my server, day trades and swing trades, for only $12 a month with high win ratios of the best trend reversal strategy, in my opinion. So I hope you guys do take the time to join this. No pressure. It's always up to you guys, but I'm telling you, it has been back tested, and with much success, this is the best way in trading trend reversals. I've traded probably everything, and this is the only success strategy that really made me. And just focus on that, because a lot of happens is people try all these different strategies, they get one loss and they try another, and they're just not consistent. This strategy really does work because we know what a conservative price target we're hitting. That EMA 5 is very conservative, and we did it today. And as you can see, the algos respected it. It goes slightly above it, and then it goes crashing down. All right, I'm going to still eyeing hollow. I'm going to keep it on watch list for next week now because that's the time distance I need. And if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. And also, if you do subscribe, just a friendly reminder, do it on your computer because you avoid the iOS fee. If you do it on your phone, it does charge a little more. But hope to see you guys in the Discord, and I love you all. Thank you so much, and I really want the best for everyone, and nobody likes when someone loses. I want you guys to be successful, profitable, and have many blessings in life. Peace out.